episode, and I'm on my way to get my hair done. I need a haircut like ASAP. But anyway, this episode is all about traveling on a budget, some tips and hacks to show you when you're preparing for your trip. So go ahead and watch this video, comment down below, let me know where you're going this summer, and if you haven't already subscribed, please do so now, because I do have a load of videos coming out that I would love for you guys to look at. So yeah, go ahead and subscribe. So I will see you guys later. All right, bye. Traveling is complicated and can be pricey, so this tip will save you some coins. Expedia and Ebates go hand in hand. Ebates is a money saver website, and it allows you to save 3.5% money back, cash back, every time you book your trip through them. So go ahead and start finding out where you want to go this summer. Go through Ebates and get those coins back so you can use it for your vacation. Is rolling your clothes while packing. Don't fold them, roll them. They will save you 3 times the space and make use of all the empty spaces that you have. Oh yeah, and don't forget to bring you an old plastic bag so you can put those dirty clothes in and won't have to mix them up with your clean clothes versus your dirty clothes. Now ladies, I love this hack. Perfume. As long as your perfume is under 4 ounces, you can take it with you. Put that perfume in a sock. Actually, one of those socks that you may wear around the hotel or somebody's house if you don't want to walk barefoot. And then stuff that sock in your shoe. It is a space saver again, and your perfume, you don't have to worry about it breaking. I find it easy for me to carry on my makeup in my carry-on bag. That way, if my luggage get lost, my makeup don't, as long as it's under 3.5 ounces. And also my phone chargers, I keep them neatly in a eyeglass case, so I don't have to go looking for it. A good way to pack your necklace and for it not to tangle is by using a plastic straw. Feed your necklace through the straw, and I'm sorry if you really can't see what I'm doing, I do apologize for that, but feed your necklace through the straw and then just clamp it to the other end, and there you go, you can put it in with your other jewelry. When you're packing your carry-on, bring an extra set of clothes, because you never know when the airline may lose your luggage. That way you don't have to worry about the expenses of buying a new outfit. Also, it's good to have a blanket and some socks just in case you want to cover up while you're on the flight, because those planes do get cold. Another way to save money is packing your snacks before you get to the airport. We all know airports will charge you an arm and a leg for some coffee, for some Oreos, for whatever. So pack those snacks, put it in your carry-on bag, and you're good to go.